Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Khadijah and I'm doing my Monday night routine. Thank you so much for watching. So first things first, I like to just set the vibes on my Monday nights. Monday nights are the days that I get to unwind, so I typically don't work on these days, which is really great for me, honestly. So I'm just starting out by getting in the shower. If you want a separate shower routine, let me know. I'll be sure to film one for you guys. I already have one up, but still, we can always make another. Then after I get out the shower, I always dive straight into my skincare. Sometimes I do my skincare before my shower, but tonight I was like, babe, I just need to literally cleanse my body. Like, it's just always, that's just how I feel. Anyways, so yeah, now I'm getting into it and I'm just literally using my micellar water that I always start out with to get all of the extra like makeup and like gunk off my face, and I use these cotton pads. This is the best way for me, and I always go in twice. I use 2 cotton pads and just literally get everything as much as I can off. Then I go in and I just use a little bit of this spray that I got from One Size Beauty, and it's like an oil base to just help get more of the makeup off. You can also go in with this first and then use micellar water, so it's really just like a personal preference and whatever you like to do, but I always make sure that my skin is super clean, because after I wash my face, then I'm gonna go in with a razor. Now on Monday nights, I feel like it's usually like a reset for me, so that's why I'm shaving my entire face. I don't shave my entire face every day, of course, but I definitely try to do it at least once a week to bi-weekly. But I'm a very hairy girl. Shout out to my dad. Literally, I have hair everywhere, so I shave my entire face. I get like I don't shave off my sideburns, but like my whole entire sideburn area, chin, mustache, like the whole 9. And then I just go in and I use like some facial toners and all of my lotions after, just because it's just imperative I do that. And sometimes my skin from the serums, like it might feel maybe a little irritated, just depending. So like I'm using a cooling oil that I found at a turnip truck locally, and then I'm going in with my CeraVe moisturizer. And I can always do a separate skincare routine for you guys. Just comment down below, of course, and we can get that on and cracking. I just wanted to kind of show you guys like seriously how I unwind. It's actually very simple, my night routine. I try not to complicate them because I feel like my days are already jam-packed with so much, so it's just nice to take the time to have fewer steps, but also very special and unique to you. I feel like sometimes I watch videos and I'm like, oh, that's so much, like it just seems so overwhelming, and what if you forget a step? But I don't think night routines should be about forgetting a step. It should just be about enjoying your process and just experiencing life exactly how you want to make your morning a little bit lighter on the load. I'm using a sugar scrub for my lips from Fresh. And then I just go in, kind of lay down my edges a little, or like just do my hair for the night before, especially that my hair is in a natural state. I just want to make sure she looks cute. So I'm crawling in the bed now, putting on all my oils. This is from CeraVe. The body cream is from CeraVe, and then my oil is from Palmer's, the brand, and it's like a hemp oil, and it makes me feel just so at peace. You guys, you have to get it. If you can kind of see, it's just literally the best. They have it at Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, all the good places, okay? Because that's all the vibes. The PJ set is from Shein. If you want to check out my Lovelet collection video that I posted, it's linked in that video. This set is honestly so comfortable. Next, I like to go in and just write down some manifesting or like whatever I want to for the day. Something that's just very important to me or has been on my heart. or how I want my next day to go. It just really depends on the mind that I have going on. And I also kind of like to review what I had going on the previous day, because I think this is so important in just like figuring out yourself and just being in tune with your own destiny. You have to plan it out and map it out and spend that time with yourself. I swear to God, I felt so much better even after just writing or scripting for just not even 5 minutes. So yeah, once that is done, I just tuck that away because we're all good. Check my phone because I always like to just stay updated on everything going on in my life. Instagram, TikTok. I was probably on TikTok at that point. And just texting people back, of course. So now I'm off to make dinner, you guys. I've been loving cooking since I moved into my place. I swear to God, I've never cooked this much in my life. Well, when I lived on my own in my other house. But even now, I swear to God, I cook every single day. And I absolutely love it. I adore being in the kitchen. It's probably one of my favorite places in the apartment. So I decided to make myself some spaghetti. It's just like very quick. It's literally not even a 10-minute meal, and it's so yummy and such a go-to. But first we need to set the mood and have some wine. This is a Malbec, right? Yeah, I'm trying to read the bottle from here, but I'm pretty sure I bought a Malbec, and I bought this from Trader Joe's. No, I'm lying, guys. I bought it from Aldi. I'm sorry. It was literally like $5. I was like, oh, give me that. Thank you. Yeah, so we were making this pasta. Literally the most simple pasta. Like, I'm not even putting any meat on there or anything. Just literally angel hair and a good marinara tomato paste. So I wanted to make a little salad on the side because I felt like I need some veggies with this meal. So you guys, I love, love, love cucumbers. So crunchy, delicious. Oh, I can taste them right now. Yeah, so I'm just literally making a cucumber and spinach salad. I dressed it with olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, maybe some like oregano on top. It was literally the most simple thing. So yeah, while that is all steaming and everything, I was doing the salads. So boom, and putting all of that in there. The salad actually ended up being a lot, and I saved half of the salad and then I ate the rest later. But really what I'm gonna start doing is eating all my veggies first and then eating the rest of the pasta and everything second, and save that, because you guys, you have to get your veggies in. I've just been being much more conscious about how I eat and what is going in my body, and I'm like, Khadijah, could have been doing better. But hey, you live and you learn. The meal was seriously delicious. I garnished the spaghetti with it was like a fake mozzarella cheese. Like, it wasn't a real mozzarella cheese, but it was also delicious, and I got that from Aldi as well. Now, of course, you guys, I really hate dishes in my sink. Like, if I can help it and I have the time, which I always make time before the end of the day, I wash my dishes. I just need to. And yes, we use our dishwasher for a drying rack. We really hand wash everything here, and we just put it in the drying rack. And because it's like, who's gonna run a full load when you can just knock all those little dishes out of the way? Come on now. So yeah, I just straightened up my kitchen. Really, it's not too much to it. I just like wipe down like the mess I spilled. Like, I don't do full deep clean. And like, I only do like a deep clean of the kitchen or wherever like once a week, because it's just not giving to it every day. All right. So yeah. So yeah, that's really the most simple nighttime routine I feel like I could ever have. I ended my day today with just being on the phone and like catching up with my sister, Jada. Hi, if you're watching. I was talking to Jada on the phone just about Lord knows whatever, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for staying tuned into my video, and yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, babe.